How to create Outlook distribution lists. Start by opening Outlook and clicking on the people or contacts icon in the navigation menu. Then, click on New Contact Group or New Distribution List depending on your Outlook version. Give your group a descriptive name that reflects its purpose or members, such as marketing team or project collaborators. Click Add Members to select contacts from your address book, Outlook contacts, or enter new email addresses. You can also add members from other sources like your organization's directory. As you add members, they will appear in the group list. Once you've added all the members, click Save and Close to create a distribution list. Now you can use the group name to send emails to all members at once, saving you time and effort. You can also edit a group later to add or remove members as needed, ensuring your distribution list stays up to date. And that's basically how to create Outlook distribution lists. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.